अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई एम नूरिन अंसारी और आज जो ऐसे है वही टॉपिक है उसका इंडिपेंडेंस डे इन इंडिया। इसको हम समझने जा रहे हैं। इससे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का हमारा ऐसे, जो कि है इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस डे इन इंडिया। India celebrated its Independence Day on the 15th of August every year. It is a significant day in the history of our nation as it marks the freedom and sovereignty we achieved from British colonial rule in 1947. This day is celebrated with great enthusiasm and patriotism throughout the country. On Independence Day, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi. The flag hoisting ceremony is followed by a speech that highlights the achievements of the nation and the challenges it faces. The Prime Minister pays tribute to the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for the cause of independence. This event is broadcasted live on television, and people from all walks of life eagerly watch and listen to the Prime Minister's address. Independence Day is not just a day off from work or school. It is a day to reflect upon the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. It is an occasion to remember the struggles of hardships faced by our ancestors to secure our freedom. On this day, people across the country come together to celebrate the spirit of independence and to honor the heroes of our past. Schools, colleges, and various organizations organize cultural programs and events to commemorate Indian Independence Day. Students participate in patriotic songs, dance, and skits that depict the rich cultural heritage and diversity of our nation. Flag hoisting ceremonies are held in educational institutions, and students take pride in saluting the national flag. Independence Day is also an opportunity for us to express our love for our country. People adorn their homes, streets, and public buildings with the tricolor of our national flag. Patriotic songs fill the air, and the atmosphere is filled with joy and excitement. People gather together to sing the national anthem and chant patriotic slogan. It is a day when people come together, setting aside their differences to celebrate the unity and diversity of our nation. Apart from the celebrations, Independence Day also reminds us of the challenges that lie ahead. It is a time to reflect upon the progress we have made as a nation and the work that still needs to be done. We must strive for equality, justice, and prosperity for all citizens of our country. Independence Day serves as a reminder of our responsibilities towards our nation and motivates us to work towards a better future. In conclusion, Independence Day is a significant day in the history of India. It symbolizes our freedom from British rule and the birth of our nation. It is a day of celebration, reflection, and renewed commitment to building a strong and prosperous India. Let us remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and work towards upholding the values and ideals they fought for. Happy independence.